This is from page 21 of the Math Mechanic Fractions and Mixed Numbers edition. Converting improper fractions to whole numbers. You can convert an improper fraction to a whole number if the denominator will divide into the numerator without a remainder. Again, I will repeat. You can convert an improper fraction to a whole number if the denominator will divide into the numerator without a remainder. If there is a remainder, then the improper fraction cannot be converted to a whole number. It can, however, be converted to a mixed number. This is because the remainder becomes the numerator part of the mixed number. Eight fourths. 8/4. The fraction 8/4 can be converted to a whole number since there is no remainder when dividing 8 by 4. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Again, I will repeat. 8/4 can be converted to a whole number since there is no remainder when dividing 8 by 4. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. The numerator 8 divided by the denominator 4 equals 2. So that can be converted to a whole number. The fraction 9/4 cannot be converted to a whole number, since there is a remainder when dividing 9 by 4. So the numerator 9 divided by the denominator 4 equals 2 with a remainder of 1. 2 with a remainder of 1. Since there is a remainder, 9/4 cannot be converted to a whole number. Here is an example of converting a fraction to a whole number, of converting an improper fraction to a whole number. Convert the improper fraction of 10/5 to a whole number. We do this by dividing the numerator by the denominator. The numerator is 10. The denominator is 5. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. The numerator of 10 divided by the denominator of 5 gives you a result of 2. 2 becomes the whole number. Again, 10/5 converted to a whole number is 2. Here is another example. Convert 6/1 to a whole number. Divide the numerator by the denominator. The numerator is 6. The denominator is 1. So dividing the numerator, which is 6, by the denominator, which is 1, gives us a result of 6. 6 becomes the whole number. 6/1 converted to a whole number is 6. 6 is the whole number. Another example is converting 40 fourths to a whole number. Divide the numerator by the denominator. Divide the numerator by the denominator. The numerator is 4. I'm sorry. The numerator is 40. The numerator is 40. The denominator is 4. The denominator is 4. So dividing the numerator, which is 40, by the denominator, which is 4, gives us a result of 10. 10 is the whole number. So converting 40 fourths to a whole number is 10. 10 is the whole number after the conversion. The next example is convert 14/2 to a whole number. Divide the numerator by the denominator. The numerator is 14. The denominator is 2. So dividing the numerator, which is 14, by the denominator, which is 2, gives us a result of 7. 7 is the whole number. Again, I will repeat. 14/2 converted to a whole number is 7. 14/2, or it can be pronounced as 14 halves, converted to a whole number is 7. Another example is to convert 30/6 to a whole number. Divide the numerator by the denominator. The numerator is 30. The denominator is 6. 30 divided by 6 equals 5. 5 is the whole number. 30/6 converted to a whole number is 5. In this example, we are going to convert 8/8 to a whole number. Divide the numerator by the denominator. The numerator is 8. The denominator is 8. 8 divided by 8 equals 1. 1 is the whole number. Again, I will repeat. Converting 8/8 to a whole number is 1. 8/8 converted to a whole number is 1.